a true friendship. Here we go. Let's start the story. Once there were two friends, a squirrel and a puppy. They used to live and play together. The squirrel was very sporty and always won the game. The puppy used to feel bad and thought that it was no use. One day it started raining heavily. The squirrel was in high spirits. He started jumping in the water puddles and suddenly lost his balance and fell into the water puddle. Oh no! The squirrel climbed its back and reached a safe place. He thanked his friend for saving his life. Wow! Moral of the story: always have confidence in yourself. Everyone is unique in their own way.